YouTube? Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna go here, guys. Behind me is this Skyline. It's Doha, Qatar Skyline. So we're gonna go there and discover the area and how's the atmosphere there, how is the place, and all the skylines and skyscrapers there. So we're gonna go and check it out. So stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's go. The Doha Corniche stretches for 7 kilometers along the bay, connecting the West Bay, which is the business district, with the airport. You can always find people jogging, running, and walking along the Corniche. Alright guys, we made it here. As you can see, this is the skyline, this is the skyscrapers that we have here in Doha, Qatar. And behind me, if you can see, guys, behind me, this pyramid shape is the oldest 5-star hotel here in Qatar. There was nothing here, only that one, and it's Sheraton 5-star hotel. So it was the only thing here. Like there's nothing, as you can see in the picture. So that's the oldest hotel, and these are the skyscrapers.
A dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole act, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences, yeah. I thought we were more alike than unlike. Monsoon rain and chest pain.
Guys, we are in the middle of the skylines. It's crazy, huge and long towers. So, for example, this one is called Qatar Petroleum. It belongs to Qatar Petroleum, and this one is Doha Tower. And this one is Tornado Tower. So this one and this one, they're full of offices and offices for companies and stuff. And like I said, this one behind me here belongs to Qatar Petroleum. The West Bay is the business hub of Qatar. You will find most companies and offices and ministries situated in this area. West Bay consists of skyscrapers and towers unlike any district in Qatar. The tallest towers are found in this area. To film by day, by night. It was a nice sunset to show you guys the difference that the towers look during the day and during the night. It's a big difference. In the night look really awesome, really beautiful, and in the day as well, but the night is better. Any which ways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to help grow the channel and keep me motivated to do more content. And that's a wrap. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care and peace.